Oops, oops. Alright, so Siam Kitchen should be pretty close now. I hope I don't get it wrong. But just in case, since we're getting all the red lights, I can use good old Google Maps to make sure I don't miss it. And my phone is tucked away nicely on a little stand, so it's all safe. CM Kitchen. And now we have to hope that iPhone 5 does its job. And there's poor connection. Yay, AT&T, my favorite. AT&T, my favorite. Come on, hurry up, please. Oh well. Oh well. Something's wrong. Something's wrong. I don't know what it is, but it's wrong. Maybe I need to add some power to the iPhone 5 original. Usually this is my absolute favorite phone. It functions so well. But it says cannot reach server. Why not? You should be working on data right now. AT&T sucks on data, and it sucks on Wi-Fi. Especially here in Irvine, California, Woodbridge, where oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Look, we have beautiful flowers. Look, beautiful flowers. Let's enjoy nature. Nature's cool. We're not quite there yet. This is where people go to skate, or at least they used to. Could do some rollerblading here on the left. Let's see, is this corporate park? I think this is where I need to make a left turn. Selective memory kicking in here since the navigator is not helping out at all, is it? No. And I love Google and I love it, but when iPhone 5 is doing some deranged thing. Come on, I'm supposed to be on data. Data usually works better than the AT&T that we have at home, but it's not. It tells me where I am, but it won't give me the directions to where I'm going. Come on. Oh well. Oh well. Technology hates me. Yes, yes. Oh wow, it finally